Hello friends, my name is Anurag and today we are going to see how you can customize your appearance on Zoom so that you can communicate your brand better on online meetings, whether you are conducting any workshops or you are a part of a workshop. We need something that will customize or that will help us to add elements to this feed. And we have Open Broadcasting Studio to help us with that. It is a free software widely used for streaming online, but it is also a good screen capturer, and it also has this virtual camera option. So as you can see on the screen right now, on the left side is the default output with my room lighting. On this side you have the customize option. To make this, I'll share the link in the description. I've made this template. You can just use this and add your username, and you will also need this link. I'll put it in the description. It's called something called as mesh gradients. Just pick the one that suits your brand. It will be very subtle. And to download OBS, you can go to obsproject.com and pick the appropriate option based on what your machine is. So first, when you open OBS, you will see an interface like this. You just have to check, and this area will be blank, so you have to click on the plus sign and go to the video capture device. Once you click on this option, you will see a window something like this. You just have to click OK and you will see a window like this. Here you have to select, so you won't have much options here. I have too many here, but you'll just have your webcam here. Just click OK. Now, in order to the one that I shared, the Canva template, you can take the PNG output and you can click on this plus sign and go to image source. And when you click on it, you will see something like this. You have to click OK and you have to pick browse to the appropriate image. Now I have already done that, so I'll just click enable this. Now this is the PNG output from the Canva. Now what you have to do is click on your webcam, go to the filters. You'll see a button here. You have to click on it, and you have to click on a plus sign. The plus sign, you have to go to image mask and blend options. I have already, when you click on it, you will see something like this. Now for what you have to do is first select blend and multiply, then go to the browse, and from the file you have to select the appropriate gradient. Now from the gradient file, as you can see, I have already selected this gradient file, which is already available here. And make sure you have clicked on this blend multiply options. If you want to make it more prominent, you can add another option, click on the plus sign and add another mix blend, and your feed will start looking something like this if you really want a moody look. You can also make a frame and add over as a PNG so that it's transparent, or you can have green color inside it. After you have done this, you have to go on the right side and click on this start virtual camera. When you go to the settings, if you go to the video, and you have to, instead of your webcam, you have to select your OBS virtual camera. And as you can see, if you manipulate other options as well if you want. And as you can see, my feed is already looking very neat as compared to the original one. And you can go back to your OBS and change something. If you want to make your logo size bigger, I would recommend it to be slightly bigger because your camera will be very small, so your view in the thumbnail will be small when it's in the gallery view. So that will make it more prominent. If you want to keep it subtle, you can make it smaller as well. Now this and you just make sure you select OBS camera in the ear also, as well as during the meeting if you don't see yourself in the camera.